Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'd like to show you how I installed shore power without drilling an extra hole in the van. Come on, I'll show you. First thing you're going to want to do is remove this cover on the rear passenger side column. Next thing you're going to want to do is remove the cover from the underside of the van. So there's actually a couple different covers down here. You're going to want to remove the bigger one. Next thing you're going to want to do is take some string or maybe some fishing line, whatever you have sitting around your house that's fairly durable, and just tie something heavy on the one end. I just have a washer here that I have sitting around. Then you take your string, drop the weighted end down, so the next thing you're going to want to do is find whatever wire you're going to use. In my case, I have some 14 gauge wire that came off of something, who knows what, and hopefully you can see that. It's AWG 14 by 3. I'm going to tie this to the string and pull it back up. Next thing I want to do is hook up my outlet and the box to the wire. I chose to go with a shallow box, though the back column is large enough to accommodate a larger one. Hooking wires to an outlet is pretty straightforward. Just make sure to hook the white to white, black to black, and your ground wire to the green. In order to get this box to sit in right, you're going to have to remove these plugs back here. Just slide them off. So that'll give you plenty of room for your box. Okay, so far so good. Got the outlet installed in the box, but as you can see, I have no way of mounting this. So I need to create a backing that will attach. I will think I'll utilize this hole right here and this hole up here, and like I have with almost every other aspect of this build, is I'm going to use a piece of cardboard and template something that will fit over those two holes and create an opening within there that this will sit inside and everything can mount nicely together. So here goes. Okay, while the paint is drying, I'll use this opportunity to demonstrate my plan to attach the wood to the column using the template I had made earlier. I'm going to be using a toggle bolt. I have the 1/8 inch by 2 inch variety. And if you're not familiar with toggle bolts, it's pretty simple. Simply take your bolt, put it through, and then on the back side, this fella just screws right on. And then, give you a close-up view of what a toggle bolt does. So as you put a toggle bolt in the hole that you want to use, simply snap shut, holding itself in place as you tighten it. Pretty neat design, and I think it's going to work well for my purposes. Okay, paint has dried, so now it's time for what I hope is the final install. Now, to make sure the box itself stays secured to the piece of wood, you can see that there are 4 holes here. I'm just going to take some tiny screws and screw that down to make sure everything's nice and secure. Just going to use these little screws that I've had on hand. I don't know exactly where they came from, but I think they are just the right size. And now for the cover plate. Somewhere down the road, I may switch out the off-white outlet and cover plate, which I had in my garage, with a white one that matches better. Of course, you always want to double check, make sure you get everything hooked up as you should. I'm going to use a receptacle tester, make sure I got everything hooked up right. And that's what you want to see. You see here at the bottom it says correct wiring. It shows the 2 last yellow lights are on. And that's what we got here. So then when you're done with your shore power, you simply disconnect your line. And you tuck your wire back underneath. There you have it, folks. A simple and straightforward way to install shore power in your van. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Until then, let's see how this works. It works really well. Just kidding. It's not plugged in. It snaps shut. So, crap. Well, that one's a goner. Thankfully there's a pack of 4 and I only need 2. So I'll try that again. Well, I'm gonna go see if I can rescue that bolt. Hopefully it just fell down to this bottom reservoir. Let's see if I can. Oh, there it is. Nice. Yay.